Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss about top 10 most popular Pakistani foods. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Pakistani foods are famous worldwide because they're spicy, ghee-rich, and extremely tasty. We're gonna take a look at some mouth-watering dishes that you need to get to know. In Pakistan, you'll find a variety of the best authentic food, but still, some dishes left a permanent mark on people's hearts, and that is why they are on the list of the top 10 most popular Pakistani foods. By tasting this delicious authentic Pakistani food, you'll get a life-changing experience because authentic Pakistani dishes go directly from the mouth to your heart. So, let's get started. Number 1. Saji. This dish originates from the Baluchistan province in Pakistan and consists of marinated, skewered, and roasted whole lamb or chicken. Usually served with rice cooked inside or traditional cock bread, this is the ultimate flavor bomb where the meat flavors have obtained a unique and smoky flavor from roasting. Number 2. Nahari. Nahari is the Delhi-originated dish made by cooking meat and bone marrow on a lower flame for hours. It is considered the best authentic food in Pakistan, and the traditional breakfast of Old Delhi, which has a deep love till date even in Pakistan. People crave it on an empty stomach in the morning, and that's why they are most likely to eat nahari for breakfast with crispy parathas or kamiri roti on weekends. The nahari is served with garlic, lemon, green chilies, and fried onion spread on the top. If you are a meat lover, then you'll love to eat nahari. Number 3. Biryani and pulao. Biryani and Pakistani foods are straight-joined. No Pakistani dining experience is finished without its vicinity. It is essentially a South Indian dish, yet it turned into a crushing hit in Pakistan for individuals here are wild about it. It is produced from rice and meat of any sort. Biryani took numerous structures and shapes and even formula varieties here. For example, mutton biryani, Sindhi biryani, Tikka biryani, aloo biryani, and so forth. Thus, pulao comes second after it. It has numerous structures and strategies for cooking on account of the variety of society and contrasts of zones. Number 4. Halim. Halim is another Pakistani stew dish that takes a very long time to prepare. It is a mixture of several Pakistani staples, such as wheat, barley, and minced meat, mutton, beef or chicken. The preparation traditionally takes a long time because the lentils and special spices take a long time to combine with the minced meat properly. The result is a unique and flavorful paste that will fulfill your hankering. Number 5. Chapli Kebab. This spicy meat patty is a Pashtun cuisine made with a blend of minced mutton or beef. Spices like dried coriander and pomegranate seeds, green chilies, and mint give Chapli Kebab its distinct flavor. Even though Chapli Kebab has its main origin in Peshawar, it is now a favorite Pashtun and Balochi cuisine. Number 6. Saag. While meat tends to dominate when it comes to the Pakistani palate, certain vegetable dishes do make the cut. Saag is one such food. It is often confused with palak, and both are leaf-based, but palak is made from spinach, while saag consists of mustard leaves. There are plenty of extra spices thrown in there in abundance, and additions such as paneer. A particular favorite of Punjab is sarson ka saag, which is usually eaten with a makai ki roti, which is bread of maize flour, yellow in color. The saag is also often topped off with either butter or oil and makes for a very hearty meal. Potatoes or meat can also be added to the mix, and this dish features on the dinner tables quite often, especially when the hosts are Punjabi. Number 7. Chicken Tikka. Chicken tikka is a staple of Punjabi cuisine and is traditionally made with small pieces of boneless chicken. A range of spices is used to create numerous tastes and it all comes together when mixed with yogurt. The marinade is then generously spread onto the chicken before each piece is skewered and cooked on a brazier called angifi. It is the same as tandoori chicken. However, chicken tikka is made using boneless chicken. The popular dish is enjoyed all over Pakistan, but it is in Punjab where it is renowned. Number 8. Paya. Paya is another slow cooking delight from Pakistani cuisine. Some basic ingredients like onion, curry, and spices are allowed to cook for several hours and often overnight. Number 9. Halwa puri. Halwa puri is a special type of breakfast food in Pakistan. It normally originated from Punjab, but it is famous all over the world for its very good taste and its eye-catching color. Halwa is a sweet but very popular dish that involves suji, which is a kind of flour and sugar mostly, while puri is made out of gram flour that is then deep fried in oil. Number 10. Samosas. Samosas are a filling snack made from a triangular layer of flour filled with green peppers, a variety of finely chopped herbs, and boiled potatoes. You can also fill them with different meats, such as lamb, chicken, and beef. These triangle solutions are usually served with hot chopped onions, yogurt, or fresh, homemade sauces such as various ingredients such as mint or tamarind. Samosa may be in different shapes depending on the region, triangle, cone, or crescent shape. So here we have the top 10 most popular Pakistani foods. Thank you for watching.